Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we're taking a look at the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. This vehicle is featured in bright white with black leather seats as well as alloy rims. Under the hood is a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle features backup camera, power liftgate, power sliding doors, heated front seat, heated steering wheel, seating for up to 7, Garmin navigation, and much more. Into the interior of the vehicle, we can see a stainless steel accent, chrome door handle, power windows and mirrors, as well as our power rear sliding doors, red stitching, storage, as well as more storage underneath that, main speaker, parking brake and hood release, light controls with dimmer switch. We can see our gauge cluster, leather wrap steering wheel, heated steering wheel with cruise control, as well as cluster control, hands-free and Bluetooth. We're gonna go ahead and start up the vehicle now. Off to the right. Lit up cluster with digital speedometer. Infotainment screen. The screen features Garmin navigation as well as Bluetooth. We're gonna look at our backup camera here with guidelines. Shut off the vehicle now. Climate control. Here's the heated wheel button I was talking about earlier. Front leather heated seats. Economy mode, hazards and traction control. Bit of storage underneath the climate control screen. Some storage as well with a couple 12-volt inputs on either side. Close that up. Cup holders. More storage. Onto the roof now. We have our dome lights, as well as the rear sliding door controls and rear liftgate button. Some more lights. Sunglasses holder. And we can see some more stainless steel and red stitching throughout the front of the vehicle. Onto the exterior of the vehicle, you can see our alloy rims with Dodge center caps, color matched mirror caps, as well as color matched door handles, rear privacy tint along the sides and back of the vehicle, our chrome Dodge logo, Grand Caravan, as well as the GT trim chrome emblem. Go ahead and grab our keys now. We will double click to unlock the power liftgate. Plenty of storage in the back with the 60-40 split rear seats, which fold down of course for even more storage if needed. We can see our captain seats, all in the black leather, which of course as well fold down if needed. Alright, onto the rear of the vehicle now. Go ahead and pull the door handle to activate the automatic sliding door. Alternatively, double clicking this button will do the same thing. Captain seats, black leather, red stitching, fold down headrests. Magazine holders on the back of either of the front seats. These back seats are heated with options on the doors. Entertainment screen with remote. Rear climate control, as well as dome lights. And then we have 3 extra storage compartments on the roof. 1, 2, 3. More dome lights. Vents, 2 on each side. 60-40 split rear seats. There is cup holders and storage and speakers on either side. And this vehicle does seat 7 at a maximum capacity. Thank you so much for joining me for the review of this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we hope to see you in Wolfe Cadillac very soon.